Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we are in a basement in Lewes, Delaware, and we got an old sub pump back here on a remediation that we're doing. It's been here for a long time. We're going to go ahead and get this thing switched out with one of our PumpSpys. We're going to show you what that looks like right after this. Okay, so here we are after we've installed the PumpSpy Combo. So in the PumpSpy Combo, we have a 3/4 horse stainless steel sub pump, and we have a backup sub pump that's on there. So if the main primary pump fails, the backup pump will kick on, and if the main sub pump turns around and gets overwhelmed, the secondary one will kick on too, to make sure that no water overflows this basin and floods out this basement. Now also, we've hooked up this to the battery backup system with Wi-Fi monitoring. So the system isn't on just yet because we have to have the actual building owner meet us and hook it up to their phones. That's why you see the two red lights in the error message right now. But they'll be back in town, I think this week, and we'll get that hooked up. So anyways, it's on a battery backup, so if the power's lost, it also the battery will kick on, make sure that the pump's still running, and then also with the 24-hour monitoring, it's going to check itself and make sure that it's running. It's going to track how much water the pumps are pumping, going to make sure the pumps are working, they don't get stuck, and everybody's going to get a notice on their cell phone before anything goes wrong and you have a major water damage. So if you need a sub pump or sub pump maintenance, new sub pump installed, want to switch out or upgrade, give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com.